Hi. Welcome on The Meditation Way. Before watching this video about meditation, don't forget to subscribe for more meditation videos. So now let's start. How to make meditation fun. Meditation is an ancient practice whereby a person uses a certain technique, such as focusing the mind on an object, an emotion, or even a specific thought, to train the mind and gain a mental and emotional state of relaxed and calmness, and also achieve a state of mental clarity and calmness. When someone meditates, a mental state is achieved, and this mental state may be achieved through several techniques including mantra, visualization, sound, mantra, meditation, or simple sitting in meditation. A person will find that in order to be able to find a certain method of meditation, a person will need to first ask themselves, what would I like to get out of meditation? Once you have come up with a list of what you would like to get from your meditation, it is time to start looking for a good way to actually achieve the meditation. Once you have decided on the meditation technique that you wish to use, it is time to look at the tools you need to achieve the meditation. If you want a more intense and profound experience when you are meditating, you will need to choose a very quiet and peaceful area in your home where you can practice your meditation. It is not necessary for you to have a private room for your meditation. However, you must be sure to have the proper equipment to achieve a more profound meditation. First, you must learn how to create a state of relaxation before you embark upon meditation. If you are doing a meditation on a regular basis, it is important that you begin this process gradually and that you do not force yourself into a state of relaxation that is not conducive to meditation. If you make yourself uncomfortable during meditation, then it is much more difficult to find and maintain the state of relaxation when you are meditating for longer periods of time. Second, you must find a good place to meditate. There are many places available for you to meditate, but you may want to consider going for a walk in your local park, or even a quiet back garden. When choosing a spot to meditate, you should consider the weather, as it is important to create a comfortable environment in which to meditate. Also, be sure that the location is well lit and has adequate quiet and natural lighting so that you will not become overly conscious of your surroundings. It is also a good idea to buy some quality music before you begin your meditation. This can provide you with a calm and relaxing background while you are meditating, but it is also a good idea to choose songs that you know you will enjoy listening to. You should listen to these songs during your meditation sessions. When meditating, there are many ways that you can meditate. Some people may meditate using visualization, sound, mantra, sound, or even the sound of running water. While others choose to do this meditation by concentrating on specific objects, such as a flower, the stars, the sun, or just their breath. The last thing to remember when you are trying to find the best way to meditate is to find a quiet and peaceful place to meditate. If you are new to meditating, it is wise to start out slow and take it slowly and do this meditation with a lot of trial and error, until you get a good balance between sitting in meditation and also having a good time. Meditation can be fun. Meditation can provide a great release for those who want to deal with their stress and to be in a place where they can feel better about themselves. However, you should not rush through the process of meditation if you are new to it, because if you do not give it time, it may become too easy, and you will not really benefit from the process. When you begin to meditate, it is important that you relax and be sure that you are enjoying yourself and have all the necessary resources that you need for the meditative process. If you are unable to find the right type of meditation for your situation, you will be forced to put off your meditation for another time when you cannot find the correct meditation for you. It is always best that you seek the guidance of your doctor or someone else who can give you the guidance that you need to begin your meditation process. If you cannot find the right person to help you with your meditation, you can also consider seeking the guidance of a professional that can help you choose the right kind of meditation for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video for more about meditation.